Adaptability to a changing world. In order for you to make continuous progress, you must change with time. You have to refuse to be static in life. And if you refuse to change, you might run into the risk of getting phased out in business. In this video, I will tell you how you can change in business with the changing times, so that you do not get phased out in business. If you are just coming to this channel for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 1, be sensitive. This is a very vital factor in being able to change with the changing times in your business. Because if you do not know when to make the next move, shift, or understand your business strategies, you are really going to be having a tough time in business. Being sensitive is an important ability any business owner needs to have in order to go forward, make a headway by being sensitive. You will know when trends, strategies, rules and style of running your kind of business is beginning to change to something new if you are sensitive in that business. Number 2, be teachable. The best way to always be a good learner is being someone teachable. Someone teachable, a person who is not too proud to learn from others. An ability such as this is priceless. It is worth more than gold because it can open so many doors to knowledge for a business owner. A serious business person who is willing to learn should be open to learn from anyone who has something good to offer. Being rigid or fixed in the mindset won't take anyone far in business. It rather limits them. It hinders growth. Number 3, go for relevant information. Information, they say, is the gate for man's advancement in life. And the cure for man's frustration is also in information. It is very risky to lack information. Information that can skyrocket an organization, a business, because any business that is not growing is probably dying. Going for relevant information is the key for business success. Growth in business will become out of your reach if you cannot update your information. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share our videos to your friends and family. Thank you and one love.